Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming the app version and installing updates. This fixes many problems fast. Next, force close threads and restart your device to clear temporary glitches, because background processes often cause crashes. Once done, toggle airplane mode for 10 to 15 seconds, then reconnect. This refreshes network sockets. Also test Wi-Fi versus cellular to isolate connectivity issues. If one network fails and the other works, you know the problem is connection-related, not the app itself. You now dig deeper. Clear the thread's app cache and local storage because stale data can corrupt sessions. Make sure you have your login ready. Then review app permissions. Revoke and regrant camera, microphone, and storage access to reset access tokens. Once complete, log out of the account, uninstall the app, and perform a full reboot. This removes lingering files. Finally, reinstall the app and sign in. This sequence replaces problematic binaries and often restores normal behavior. You finish by verifying account health and two-factor authentication on the parent platform, because blocked or restricted accounts can break threads. Once verified, test the app using another account or device to determine whether the issue is device-specific. If problems persist, gather screenshots, timestamps, and any error codes. This evidence speeds up support. As a troubleshooting tip, if an update introduces new errors, roll back to a previous stable version when possible, or wait 24 to 48 hours.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.